You may want to protect your Excel formulas to prevent other users from deleting or overwriting them. By default, all the cells are locked in Excel. This does not mean that you cannot edit those cells, because locking cells has no effect until you protect the worksheet. Only when you protect the locked cells, you can truly restrict the user from making changes. But this does not just lock formulas, but rather locks all cells on the sheet. This also means that if a cell is not locked and you protect it, the user would be able to make changes. If you want to lock only cells with formulas, be sure to unlock all cells on the worksheet first. In the Formulas tab, click on Show Formulas. There are formulas in cells F2 to F13 and H4 to H7. Follow the following steps to lock selected formulas or all cells with formulas on a given sheet and leave other cells unlocked. Select the entire worksheet either by pressing Ctrl and A or clicking on the Select All button, the gray triangle in the top left corner of the worksheet to the left of the letter A. Open the Format Cells dialog box by doing any of the following. Press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and 1. Right-click on the selected cells and choose Format Cells from the menu. Or go to the Home tab and in Cells group, click on Format and select Format Cells. In the Format Cells dialog box, go to the Protection tab, uncheck the Locked option and click on OK. This will unlock all cells in your worksheet. You will see an error indicator in all the cells with formulas. It is unprotected formula error. If you don't want to see this indicator, click on Error Checking options. In Error Checking rules, uncheck Unlock cells containing formulas. Click on OK. To select all cells with formulas on the sheet, go to the Home tab. In Editing group, click on Find and Select button and choose Go to Special. In the Go to Special dialog box, check the Formulas radio button. This will select the checkboxes with all formula types. Click on OK. This will select all the cells that have formulas, cells F2 to F13 and H4 to H7. Now we need to lock these cells. Go to the Home tab and in Cells group, click on Format and select Format Cells. In the Format Cells dialog box, select the Protection tab. Check the Locked option, click on OK. Now that the locked property is enabled for cells with formulas and not for other cells, protecting the entire worksheet would only restrict access to the cells with formulas. To protect the sheet, do the following. Go to the Review tab. Click on Protect Sheet. You can also go to the Home tab and in Cells group, click on Format and select Protect Sheet. The Protect Sheet dialog box window will appear. In the Protect Sheet dialog box, make sure the option Protect Worksheet and Contents of the Locked Cells is checked. Password is optional. You may enter a password to protect the sheet if you wish. This password is needed for unprotecting the worksheet. No one will be able to edit the sheet without entering the password, so be sure to remember it. Using the checkboxes, select what type of protection you want to apply to the worksheet. At a minimum, you should choose Select Locked Cells and Select Unlocked Cells. They are selected by default. Click on OK. The confirmation password dialog box will appear and ask you to retype the password. Retype the password and click on OK. The users will be able to only select cells both locked and unlocked in your worksheet. They cannot do any other actions like format, delete, or insert cells, etc. Your Excel formulas are now locked and protected. The users wouldn't be able to change anything in it. Click on the formula and it is visible in the formula bar, but you cannot edit the formula. Double-click in the cell and Excel displays a message that you cannot make a change. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.